High-tension power lines is the backbone of modern life. High-tension power lines are a familiar sight for us. They crisscross the land, carrying electricity. These lines are essential for the daily need. They power our homes, businesses, and cities. Without them, our modern world would grind to a halt. These lines are designed to withstand the elements. Welcome to Francium's Legacy YouTube channel. Intentional sag, not a design flaw, but a necessity. You may have noticed that power lines sag. They are not perfectly straight. This sag is intentional. It's a crucial part of the design. Engineers carefully calculate the amount of sag. This ensures the lines operate safely and efficiently. The sag allows the lines to handle changes in temperature and weather. Without it, the lines would be too tight. They could snap under stress. The sag in power lines is a result of meticulous engineering. It allows the lines to expand and contract with temperature changes. In extreme weather, this flexibility prevents damage. Regular inspections ensure the sag remains within safe limits. Whether in urban or rural areas, this design is essential. It ensures the reliability of our power supply. Engineers work together to maintain this delicate balance. So next time you see sagging power lines, remember, it's not a flaw. It's a necessity for a safe and efficient power grid. Temperature's influence. The heat is on, and so is the sag. As temperatures rise, the physical properties of power lines are significantly affected. Temperature plays a significant role in how much power lines sag. When the heat increases, the metal in the power lines expands, causing them to droop more than usual. Heat causes the lines to expand. This expansion is a natural response to the increased kinetic energy of the metal atoms. This makes them longer and increases the sag. The more the temperature rises, the more pronounced the sag becomes, potentially leading to safety concerns. In contrast, cold temperatures make the lines contract. This reduces the sag. The metal contracts as the kinetic energy of the atoms decreases, pulling the lines tighter. Engineers consider the typical temperature range. They must account for both the hottest and coldest days to ensure the power lines function properly year-round. They adjust the tension to compensate for expansion and contraction. This involves precise calculations and regular maintenance to keep the lines at optimal tension. This ensures the lines remain within safe operating limits. By carefully monitoring and adjusting the tension, engineers can prevent excessive sagging or tightening, maintaining the integrity and safety of the power grid. Wind and the dance of the wires, a balancing act. The power lines sway and move, almost as if they are performing a delicate ballet in the sky. Wind also affects power lines. The constant movement can lead to wear and tear over time. Strong winds can cause the lines to sway dramatically, creating a mesmerizing yet concerning sight. This movement adds extra stress to the power lines. Engineers use sophisticated software to analyze these stresses and predict potential issues. They model how wind will impact the lines, taking into account various factors such as wind speed, direction, and duration. This helps them design structures that can handle the forces of nature. Regular inspections are vital to ensure the integrity of the power lines. They identify any potential problems that could lead to failures or outages. Inspectors look for signs of wear and tear, such as frayed wires or corroded components. They also check the stability of the structures, ensuring that they are firmly anchored and capable of withstanding strong winds and other environmental stresses. The next time you see power lines, take a moment to appreciate the science behind them. The intentional sag, the calculations for temperature changes, and the considerations for wind all demonstrate the ingenuity of engineers. Understanding these principles helps us appreciate the complexity of our infrastructure.
It also highlights the importance of continued innovation in this field. Thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe to Francium's Legacy YouTube channel.